So the second piece of important step in settling an estate is getting help. Who's going to help you? The third step, and the attorney is going to likely help you with answering this question, is there going to be a probate or is there no probate? If there was a will, there likely will be a probate. If there was no will, there likely will be a probate. A probate, which means involving the court. In Washington, you file pleadings, you file the will with the court signs an order and issues what's called letters testamentary, the legal authority to act. All of that is what's called a probate. And in Washington, probates are typically what we call non-intervention, which means the court isn't involved other than what I just mentioned to you. So that it's not a difficult or costly process in Washington to do a probate. But you still need to find out, is there going to be a probate or is there not going to be a probate? If there is going to be a probate, then there are a lot of requirements that need to be met. And you can do a probate on your own. One of the things that we'll be providing is an ebook on do-it-yourself probate, because it has a lot of good information in it, and I want to share that with you. And so that will be coming to those of you who have registered. So a lot of people want to do probate themselves, and maybe when they get into it, they say, hey, I need some help. The guide that we're providing you is going to give you a lot of really good information. With a probate, as I mentioned, it's called a matter. You file the will, the pleadings with the court. They open up a new matter. Then what? Then what has to be done? Probate process, even though the court isn't involved, there's all sorts of details. You have to provide notice to the beneficiaries of the will, to any beneficiaries of assets that aren't going under the will, to heirs at law, even if they're disinherited, heirs at law being those people who are closely related to the decedent, to the state, Department of Revenue, Office of Financial Recovery. In other words, there are statutory requirements in a probate, and that's one of the reasons that people often look to an attorney to help them, because unless you're an attorney, it's really easy to make mistakes and not do what you're supposed to do.